I'm the Reverend Mike Fales, moderator of the International Congregational Fellowship. And on behalf of our members around the world and the members of the National Association of Congregational Christian Churches here in the United States, I bring greetings to all of our brothers and sisters Humre as you gather for the Union of Welsh Independents Annual Assembly. Despite the many miles between us, you are frequently in my thoughts and prayers. As my wife and I vacation here in northern Michigan, the COVID situation continues to improve. I hope it is improving for all of you as well. I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to attend a virtual meeting of the International Congregational Fellowship called The Voyage Continues, this July 23rd through 25th. At that meeting on Friday, 3 guest historians will commemorate the 400th anniversary of the sailing of the Mayflower to these shores. Saturday's program will feature other Mayflower stories. How did Congregationalism come to Argentina, Brazil, Lebanon, Samoa, and China? Sunday will be devoted to COVID stories from our local churches and will conclude with an inclusive worship service from all parts of the globe. I hope you will be able to join us. To register for that free event, please go to www.theicf.org. At the conclusion of your assembly, I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season with your families. Until we meet again, Wolehepa.